guys, and welcome to another episode. On my detailing series, I want to talk about these products right here, tire shine products. I'm going to recommend you few of them, and obviously this is just a recommendation. Go with what you like, and I'm going to show you some products that I think they're bad, I will not recommend. So let's start with one of the best tire dressings out there. From the company Geon Q2 tire. This one is a ceramic product. It's gonna last a long time, but the problem with this one is the application. For any of the products right here, you obviously need to clean your tires. Make sure that you clean them really well. You remove all the oils and contaminants and dirt on your tires, and make sure they're super dry when you're gonna apply these products. The only problem with this Q2 tire is the application. It takes a long time because you need a heat gun. You need to prep the tire, make sure that it's super dry, and then you need to use heat. Use a heat gun to heat it up so you can open the pores, and then you apply this one. It works really well. I do recommend it, but this is going to be for the people that has the time to do it. This is not going to be for the guy that owns a shop or has a mobile detailing business, because it requires a lot of time to do the application. I really like this product, but like I said, this is not for a mobile detailing business because you got to do everything quick. So that's why this one is only for people that has the time to apply. One of the best products out there that I really like, and I use only on my vehicles because they're not cheap. This is gonna be the Ammo matte tire gel. This one is super good, applies really well. If you apply a lot into the tire, make sure that you remove the excess with the microfiber towel so you don't have any sling product going around on your wheel wells, and you're gonna be fine. So I do recommend this product. It's really good. I love it. I use it only on my personal vehicles. I don't use it for the business, only for my vehicles because they're not cheap. If you are a weekend warrior and you just wanna to clean and protect your vehicle and tires, and you just wanna do it on the weekend, I would recommend you something else. In that case, I would recommend you this one. This is one of the best products out there as well, and it's super economic. I think Total Wax right now is coming back. This new product from Total Wax, Graphene Acrylic Tire Shine Spray Coating. Apply this one and you're just gonna love it. And like I say, if you don't want to spend the money on products like these two, one of the best out there right now is gonna be this one for Total Wax. I do recommend this product. Now into the products that I do not recommend is gonna be these four right here. And there is a lot of products out there. I mean, this is just the few that I have right here. Tire Shine from Chemical Guys, terrible. If you use this product, you know that you just throw water into your tire, this product is not gonna last. It's just really bad product. It don't last. You apply it. If it rains, that's it. It's gone. It's completely gone. I already did that test on my other channel, and it's just not good. I do not recommend this product. This company, they just change color and they slap a new label on the products and they just sell it. This company is known for that. They just like to sell products. So pretty much I do not recommend any products from this company. They're really bad. Another product that I do not recommend is gonna be this one, VO7. This product is too sweet. It's like oil. I don't like it because when you apply it, it's just too slippery. I just don't like the consistency of the product. I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the way you apply it, and it doesn't last. They say it's gonna last weeks on your tire, but it's not. It don't last. Same thing with this one. I do not like this one because it's just the same thing as this one. I don't like the consistency. I don't like that it's too sticky. I just don't like this type of products. And I do have more tire shine products. I don't want to talk about them because this episode is gonna be super long. But this is the few that I want to talk about. Another one that is super terrible that I do not recommend is gonna be this one. This is a new product from Amaro. I get it because I was doing a review on my other channel. Superbad. This product, if you apply a lot into the tire, the chemicals that is in this product, they're gonna start breaking down the rubber. Do not use this product. Do not use this brand For people that buy this type of products, I do not recommend you to get them. This one, it has a lot of solvents in it. If you apply too much, like I said, it's gonna start breaking down the rubber on your tire. And after one application, we tried to use it again, and the trigger didn't work. So the product is terrible, the bottle is terrible, the trigger is terrible. It has plenty of product in there, but it didn't work. After one application, it just break down on me. So Amorol is a really bad company. I do not recommend you to get any products from this brand. Now, just to finish, if you want to see the application on these products, I can do another episode. Just let me know and I can apply, I would say, these 3 products. I'm going to show you how they look, how to apply them, and how long they're going to last in the vehicle. But that's going to be for another episode. So guys, I'll leave you with that. I'm going to leave the link in the description for these 3 products that I think for me is some of the best products. And for my detailing business, I will use only this one. And for my personal vehicles, I will use these 2. Link is going to be in the description for these 3. And I hope you like this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.